Well, Halloween is right around the corner, and to help us find the perfect costume, we're checking in with lifestyle and DIY expert Evette Rios for some creative outside-the-box ideas.
Hi, Sonia. Thanks so much for having me. I'm so excited to be working with Amazon Prime this year on some really fun ideas for Halloween that I know you're going to love. So yes, I want you to think outside of the box and use that box to make one-of-a-kind DIY box costumes, or Boxtumes, as we like to call them. Amazon Prime members, or really anyone, can get crafty and creative by simply upcycling smile boxes. Creating a Boxtume is easy because you use items you likely already have or have easy access to, like boxes and simple craft supplies. All you need is a little imagination. For example, you can make an Amazon Echo or a car Boxtume with just a few boxes, colored paper, and hot glue. If you're looking for a fun way to DIY this Halloween, Boxtumes are perfect to express your creativity and stand out at any Halloween party. It's a great way to get crafty with family and friends and create costumes, whether they're for teens, adults, couples, groups of friends, or even children. I'm actually going to be making a dinosaur Boxtume for my older son Yago, which is going to be a really fun way for us to spend time together, and I know he's going to be so proud to wear a costume that he helped create and is uniquely him. If you want ideas for your very own creations, check out Prime Insider for more Boxtume ideas at amazon.com/Boxtumes2019. Happy Halloween, everyone!